Tired of struggling to level your RV at every campsite you visit? Today's review covers the best RV leveling blocks that make setup quicker and safer. We'll compare stackable leveling blocks, build quality, weight capacity, and overall value to help you buy confidently. After watching, be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices of each product. Let's get started. Number 1. Tri-Lynx Lynx Levelers 00015. If your RV rocks on uneven ground, these leveling blocks can help fast. The Tri-Lynx 00015 kit comes with 10 interlocking leveling blocks made in the USA. Each block locks into the next, so you can build the height you need. The strong plastic handles heavy RVs, trailers, and camper vans with confidence. You also get a nylon storage bag that keeps every block together after each trip. Setup takes only a few minutes, even if you're camping alone. The bright orange color makes each block easy to spot in grass or gravel. You can stack them for leveling or use them under stabilizer jacks. They clean up fast and store without taking much room. These leveling blocks fit campers who want flexible height on different campsites. They're also great for RV owners who prefer durable, reusable leveling blocks instead of wood. If you camp often and need adjustable leveling, this leveling block set is a smart buy. Skip it if you prefer curved levelers for single-step wheel leveling.
Number 2. CARMTEK Camper Leveler Premium Kit. Uneven campsites become much easier with this fast RV leveling system. The CARMTEK Premium Kit uses curved levelers instead of standard stacking blocks. The package includes wheel chocks, rubber grip mats, and a carry bag. The levelers work with many single-axle and tandem-axle trailers within supported tire spacing. The durable build is made for repeated campground use. You roll onto the curved leveler until your camper reaches the right height. Then place the chock to hold everything in position. This method saves time because you don't need to stack several blocks. The rubber mats also help reduce slipping on smooth or wet ground. This kit is best for campers who want quick leveling with fewer setup steps. It's a strong choice for weekend travelers and anyone who moves between campsites often. Buy these leveling blocks if fast, repeatable leveling matters most. Skip it if your RV setup needs traditional stackable leveling blocks for extra versatility.
Number 3. Camco FasTen 21022. Parking on uneven campsites feels much easier with these stackable leveling blocks. The Camco FasTen 21022 set includes 10 interlocking blocks with a sturdy nesting design. Each block measures about 8.5 by 8.5 inches and stacks for custom height. The durable plastic handles regular campground use with many RVs and trailers. The built-in carrying handle twists into place to keep the blocks together during storage. You can add or remove blocks until your camper sits level. The bright yellow color helps you find them around your campsite. They work well under tires, stabilizer jacks, and other support points when needed. After use, the blocks nest together, making storage neat and easy. These blocks are best for RV owners who want adjustable height for many camping situations. They're also great for families who camp often and need a compact leveling solution. Buy these leveling blocks if you want flexible stacking and easy storage. Skip them if you prefer curved drive-on levelers for faster wheel leveling.
Number 4. RVMATE 12-pack RV leveling blocks. A shaky camper can become much more stable with the right leveling blocks. The RVMATE 12-pack includes heavy-duty interlocking blocks built for RVs and travel trailers. The larger 12-block set gives you more stacking options than many basic kits. The tough plastic construction supports repeated outdoor use. These blocks also work with single and dual wheels for added flexibility. The extra blocks help when campsites have deeper slopes or uneven ground. They can reduce trailer movement by creating a more stable base under supported points. The interlocking design keeps the stack in place during setup. They also separate quickly when it's time to pack and leave. This set is best leveling blocks for RV owners who want more leveling height and extra setup options. It's also a good fit for larger campers that may need additional support. Buy this set if you want more blocks for different campsite conditions. Skip it if you only need a compact kit for occasional weekend trips.
Number 5. OULEME 12-pack RV leveling blocks. Rough campsites become easier to handle with these sturdy, stackable leveling blocks. The OULEME 12-pack leveling block includes 12 interlocking leveling blocks and a carry bag for storage.
The stackable design lets you build the height your camper needs. Each block is made from durable plastic that stands up to repeated outdoor use. The locking pattern helps the blocks stay aligned while supporting your RV or travel trailer. You can use these blocks under trailer wheels or stabilizer jacks on uneven ground. The extra 2 blocks give you more flexibility than many 10-piece kits. After camping, the blocks separate with ease and fit neatly inside the storage bag. They don't take much space in your RV compartment. These leveling blocks are best for campers who want a budget-friendly kit with extra stacking options. They're also a good match for travel trailers, campers, and smaller motorhomes. Buy these if you need extra blocks and easy storage at a fair price. Skip them if you prefer a curved drive-on leveling system. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.